Hi guys, welcome back to Zook Me. I'm Angel, this is Steven, and today we're
gonna put some suspension on the JB32. Let's get to it. Alright, so everybody talks about not being able to find suspension for these. I found quite a bit. But some of it is cost prohibitive, right? If you have to buy a $1,200 or a $1,900 kit from Japan that has all the radius arms, all the bushings, you know, the new springs, it's a strut really in the front, right? The new shocks in the front and back. It's relatively expensive. You know, $1,900 for a full kit, it's not horrible. It has new radius arms, new bushings, all this stuff, right? But then you pay almost that much to get it here. Or you have to find somebody that'll send it to you in a container and you gotta wait months and all those things. But I found a couple from the Czech Republic, I found a couple from Europe, and then I talked to the guys over at Jimny Bits, and that's where the box came from. So we ordered just shocks and springs. It's a 2-inch lift, so they say you don't need to replace anything. I think we're still gonna have to push the radius arm forward a little bit, but we'll see after this is done. And we got it in 3 days, and the shipping was free. So I paid less for this kit than I did for the springs and the shocks on the JA11, so Samurai. I bought the Bonsai leaf springs with an extra leaf, and I bought 4 new shocks, and that cost me $200 more than lifting this. So this is JA12, JA22, JB32W, or JB32 period, any of them, kit. So let's get it open and let's throw them on. What is this? I'm interested. So I also bought caster correction bushing, caster correcting bushings.
Caster Keck.
So there's the kit number. We'll see if we even need these, but I'm guessing we probably will.
What are they?
Caster correction bushings. So we'll bring those back.
Okay, we're gonna go rent spring compressor. We'll be right back.
so that was a chore. I expected that to be a lot easier, but the springs are so close together. And the springs that were on it definitely were not the right springs. They were probably, I think they were 4 or 5 inch lift springs, but they had the original size. So I bought 2-inch lifts set, right? And the struts and shocks were the exact same size, but the spring was like way too long. In the front, it didn't seem like a big deal, and it was probably just oversprung. You couldn't feel it in the car because the struts and shocks were bad. They're toast. But in the back, when we opened the back up, the spring was mushroomed out on the back, and the new ones fit perfect. I think we probably lost maybe 3/4 of an inch in height total in the back, but the front is the exact same height, which is crazy because the strut was limiting how far the spring could go. So we basically had a 2-inch lift on it already. The tire is the exact same distance away from the body as it was before. So we might buy the expensive kit from Japan and we'll see how it goes. Or I might get just a little bit smaller tire. Or they do make some
Spacers.
pretty nice spacers to go on the top that we might just throw on top of both of the springs. Pretty easy to get in and out. So now that we know, I'd say it was pretty easy.
Yeah.
I say last night we learned, and then today we knocked that out in 30 minutes or whatever. So thanks for watching, guys.
Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to Zook Me. I'm just kidding. Okay.